Are cheap aesthetic treatment dangerous? There's a lot of price war everywhere. In beauty salons are also doing aesthetic treatments. Unestablished clinics are also doing aesthetic treatment. Proper aesthetic treatment can be only done in a proper registered clinic, which is an aesthetic clinic with an LCP doctor. So there's a lot of price war because there's a lot of competition among them. So what they do is they bring down the price. But when they bring down the price, isn't it safe or it's dangerous? So you need to know. So certain products has got certain price. So if they are really can bring down the price, meaning that they are not using the recommended dose, or even they are buying some cheap products, so it could be dangerous to you if it's not FDA approved, certain of the products. So it could be also the injector is inexperienced and can cause uneven results or serious complications. Do you want your face to be touched by an unprofessional injector? Example, a nurse who's not allowed to do aesthetic treatment. They can even go to the house and inject fillers, under eye and all that. So it is really dangerous. That's why for a doctor to become an aesthetic doctor, there are few ways, few pathways. They have to go through some exams, they have to go through anatomy, and they have to go through a whole theory for them to understand the concept of aesthetic in all the level, so that they can inject safely. Safety is more important than paying for a cheaper price. And they also will go for low quality products. So there are chances of them going for low quality product where it won't last that long. And sometimes, I do also have patients who have done filler elsewhere in a beauty salon, and then 6cc of filler being injected under the eye, where actually under eye we don't have to inject 6cc of filler, was charged for 6cc of filler, but then it didn't even last long. So don't know what has been injected under the eye. So it's better to always, or I would say it's mandatory for you to go and see an aesthetic doctor if you want aesthetic treatment to be done on your face. A properly trained profession, unsure of safety or even natural looking results. Sometimes they are just the assistant, and then they want to operate machines and do some aesthetic treatment, so they don't know the real setting. Because everybody, when you're using laser treatment, the setting is going to be different, depends on your skin, depends on your skin type, and also the skin damage. So always look for trusted clinic, certified and experienced practitioner, high quality FDA approved product. Please ask what product they're using and how much are they going to inject on your face, and be very transparent pricing and treatment plan. Compare the pricing with other clinics. If suddenly you see a drop of price in certain treatment, then you have to be aware of all this. Your beauty is an investment, not a risk.